Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. If you're looking for high-quality filament for your 3D printer, then look no further than OVERTURE PLA filament. This filament is designed to provide you with a seamless and hassle-free 3D printing experience, so you can bring your creative ideas to life without any interruptions. With our advanced technology and meticulous control measures, we guarantee a filament diameter of 1.75 mm with a tolerance of 0.02 mm. This means you can expect consistent and accurate prints every time. Our patented clog-free formula ensures that you won't have to deal with any frustrating clogs or bubbles during the printing process. Additionally, our spools are carefully dried for 24 hours before packaging and vacuum sealed to preserve quality, so you can trust that you're getting a top-notch product. Tired of dealing with tangled and messy filaments? With OVERTURE, you don't have to worry about that. Our meticulous winding and manual inspection guarantee a tidy, tangle-free filament, while the larger inside diameter of our spools minimizes friction for a smoother feeding process. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced 3D printing enthusiast, OVERTURE filaments seamlessly integrate with most consumer and industrial 3D printers, giving you the freedom to bring your unique creations to life in vibrant colors. And if you ever encounter any challenges, you can rest easy, knowing that OVERTURE stands behind their product with a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Don't let subpar filaments hold you back from unleashing your creativity. Trust OVERTURE as your dependable supplier of 3D printing filaments and accessories, and start creating with confidence. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on OVERTURE PLA filament and take your 3D printing to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to enhance your 3D printing experience. Happy printing, everyone!